Two-way handheld ham radio. Just want to do a quick review of this thing. It's definitely awesome. So my wife is over a mile away on top, so it's really nice handheld. And then I'll show you the back here. These are very durable. They feel like a brick, like it's thick. It comes with a clip, has a little attachment here. This for the battery pack, you just put it in there. Charge it super simple. But let me show you the manual here, because this thing, like I said, it's got over 200 channels. You can see the front of it. Over 200 channels, all sorts of different features on this thing. But like I said, it is a brick, so I feel like I can throw this out of the tree and it's going to be fine. But let me show you the manual too. So the manual is going to walk away. So it tests out the range on this thing. You can see I'm deep in the walk you through everything in here. So at first it's overwhelming, but like I said, you just got to read through it like anything else. And you can see it has an entire shortcut menu, so there's all sorts of stuff that you can set up with this thing. It's really nice, especially if you're like in team settings or you just need different channels for different things. But it does also have advanced functions. You can see this emergency alert system. So you can see how that works there. So if you need that, that can come in handy big time, especially if you're out deep in the woods. But yeah, I'm going to keep this in the truck. This thing looks like it woods, so I'll do this here. All right, say something. It would definitely come in handy, so better safe than sorry. Definitely get one of these while you can.
Hello, I can hear you fine.
All right, perfect. Yeah, so she's well over a mile away, and the range on these is probably insane. You can see it's got a real large antenna. Now, a couple cool things. I'm going to show you the manual, because the manual is going to be your best friend. These are more beginner friendly. You can see it's got a flashlight